I am excited to be a part of Entrepreneurs Living the Dream Workshop 2024. It's happening on October the 18th, so be sure to get your ticket because it's going to be jam-packed with valuable information and you get the opportunity to connect with people. And as Dr. Patricia always says, people need people. I'm Jasmine Ofori and I am the founder of Jew Digital. And what we do here is we help coaches, consultants, and event hosts to gain leads and to stay visible online using social media. What we do is we customize videos, infographic content, and photos that speaks to your target audience. We also create website banners. We also create profile banners for your social media platforms. If any of this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to explore more, feel free to book a chat with us using calendly.com/JewDigital, and we will do our best to support you and give you the best advice we can to help you to push your brand forward. So I'm Jasmine Ofori, founder of Jew Digital. And if you'd like to learn more as well, feel free to check out our website, which is www.jewdigital.com. I'm so excited and I look forward to seeing you at Entrepreneurs Living the Dream. You take care.